In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save all bookmarks in Google Chrome to a file. This is a handy trick that can help you back up your bookmark library, making it easy to restore everything if you switch to a new device or need to reinstall Chrome. So let's dive into these simple steps. First, make sure you're running Google Chrome on your device and open it up. Once you have Chrome open, draw your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. This is where you'll see three vertical dots. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is the gateway to many of Chrome's settings and features, including bookmarks. Hover your cursor over the bookmarks option in this drop-down menu. As you do this, you should see an extension of options appear. Look for Bookmark Manager in this list and give it a click. This action opens a new tab dedicated solely to managing your bookmarks. Here you'll see a list of all the bookmarks you have stored, arranged as you've organized them. In the Bookmark Manager, you'll notice another set of three vertical dots, again located in the top right corner of this specific window. Much like before, click on these dots to reveal another drop-down menu. This menu allows you to manage your bookmarks even further, and among the options presented is Export Bookmarks. Go ahead and select it. This is the key step that initiates the backup process of your bookmarks. Upon choosing Export Bookmarks, a system dialog box will pop up. This dialog box is your computer, prompting you to select where you would like to save your bookmarks file. Take a moment to navigate to the folder you prefer for saving backups. You might choose a cloud storage folder for extra security and accessibility. Next, you'll need to give your bookmarks file a name. A good naming convention could be something like Chrome Bookmarks Backup followed by the current date. That way, you'll always have a clear indication of when the backup was made. Once you've named the file and chosen the location, simply click Save. That's it. You've successfully exported all of your Chrome bookmarks to a file. This file can be imported back to Chrome anytime, or even to different browsers, ensuring that your favorite web links are always at your fingertips. Regular backups can be a lifesaver, especially when upgrading your system or troubleshooting issues, offering peace of mind, knowing your digital world is preserved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools.